Sending money to Saudi Arabia is fast and secure with Ria Money Transfer. Open the Ria app or visit their website, then log into your account or create one if you're new. Choose your country as the sending location and select Saudi Arabia as the destination. Enter the amount you want to send, and Ria will show you the current exchange rate and any fees before you proceed. Fill in your recipient's details, including their full name and preferred method of receiving the money, whether through cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet. Choose your payment method like bank transfer or card, confirm the transaction, and you're done. With Ria's reliable service and real-time tracking, you can be sure your money reaches Saudi Arabia quickly and safely. Start sending today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides on sending money online.